Good morning. Kim D. I'm sure I the message, but I'm not gonna tell her again. Hey, Miss Flowers, what's up?
What's your name?
Me in here with your phone.
Titi, tell me charger. Where the pump for?
Oh, you want to make your live? Sorry.
Give me live and go pay your own live. You don't have your own live. You're a Bracy.
Stop chat to me, so. Me a go palm, man.
Go palm for you. You love for me live too much.
I want to see one.
We always want you guys.
Hello.
What is someone?
Say one person in your life to get black.
They want me push up your seat, but I don't know if it.
Make active work on this.
I want to fight this. See there? See there? I'm fine. You know, some I feel so hungry because if you're not hungry, you're not literally there in the car already.
Where's Zoe?
Where's Zoe?
Okay. I tell Zoe to make sure I get rid of them foot there.
So food they looking hashy.
So, Sham, Titi, we're not miserable. See, if you feel so we're miserable, we're just joking. So take it down a notch. Come on, come in here. Come, guys. Guys, I'm miserable. Split a pity they may have in my life. A whole of them miserable. Jesus.
Where you come from?
Bounty family.
I'm miserable in that giveaway. Them drawing the line. Triple times.
Chanel first.
No? The Chanel nice this morning. Don't pick on Chanel. Me tell you who miserable this morning.
Titi.
What do? Mika Boo.
Chanel alright.
Chanel alright this morning.
I'm in the miserable yesterday.
And Akiwa did miserable yesterday.
You want to sleep? Oh gosh, man.
Hey, only can't even walk near Akiwa yesterday. Just by look alone, you know, say. Hey,
Dark.
move. That me I tell you. Literally, yo, everybody have them own touch towards the group. Everybody have their own style, miserableness, lovingness, tan badness. Everything to the group, corruption, everything. I will love them bad, yo. Everybody does. But not lie. Whole fam, not true. Alex him know one with us love stay far. Alex not like stay close. You have to be one supermarket here. Alright, chat, we now no hometown, you know. We now no hometown, so when you pick we up, just know say you're her. Oh jeez. Alright guys, ready? What smell? Smell patty. What smell patty? Well, not that. Next week? Alright, let's work our week out with them. No, wait, where's the soup there?
Over there, some later, just over there. Why?
Which one?
A soup,
A soup. Hey, sweetie. Morning.
I saw my one should have fluffy though.
Oh, Fifi, yeah, like how fluffy.
You might not hear what I'm telling.
So why can you never do it back? Thank you.
Hello.
Jesus Christ, woman, that's not like going away with it.
What am I doing?
You just give me camera from people. See me here for you know Akiwa. Come now, go guys.
Brother, who do you have camera upon you?
Yo.
No, only
Nobody never have a camera upon you. I tell you the truth, leave me alone, yeah? You hear me say?
We're not going to the mini mart. Come on. Hello.
But me tell you something, listen to me. Tell him to stay far from me, yeah? I don't want nobody piss off my spirit. Tell him to move.
You don't like to look up it there.
Look like Smaddy. You look like Smaddy. The barber lock in and shave out your head side. You better leave me alone, eh? Move from here, my man. You're miserable as fuck.
turn camera from me.
Brother, move from side of me now, my youth.
When you stop me,
Me have a camera and you walk back at me. How stupid you be?
Mommy.
Stop walk side of me.
Welcome to my place.
Oh, and I say thank you. Guys, I feel some manners, man. The man said that big up your man and say thank you. I don't know when I can go. You can't just deal with him. I don't want him near me. None tall. Supermarket.
I to just to park with the park. I you know. You think I should else now come over?
Oh, all right. Thank you. Oh, liquor store. You're some?
Supermarket with the park and then.
Understand? All right. Thank you. Alright guys, so you see we start already and some nice people here. Then say everybody up on that side. Alright, now supermarket down this side. You wanna come and revive me? Alright.
Ready?
What is already? Alright, Shana, wait first. We go to supermarket first, alright? Oh, see supermarket there. Good morning. Yep. Wait.
Oh, when I come like, you know, like for young people.
I don't mean to say. Hello.
You're invited.
Oh, yes, you're invited. Good morning. Hey, you see people that on a camera appearance, tell them don't come close to me. Who have no camera appearance, don't come close to me, because that's my job. My job, I video.
I bet so when we be there, I never like you when they go to school.
Jaga, why can't you walk back at me? Me no come close. Jaga, stop walk back at me now, my youth. Guys, why Jaga pick for me today? No, why Jaga literally pick for me today? That's crazy. Yo, talk to your man and tell your man to leave me alone, man. Alright, guys. So we have the people in hot pepper for you.
No, because we think they have this.
Nothing is not in the supermarket.
Young ladies.
Hello.
Camera reading.
No, stop you. Oh, we don't know where we go, so you can't come.
Hello, girls. I'm like a lesbian. I'm like that, man.
Man say I'm not lesbian, you know, like I'm just mad. Oh my God. Sorry. Stingy, them are like small type of supermarket, they now go get the type of things them want. We have to go in a town. So you want cup soup? So cup soup can warm up your belly? How much time I tell you that not good? Well, you go on, take a cup soup. One I use, one I do.
Alright, we'll go buy some food to go pick.
So Reming's do not take up? That's the breakfast? Okay.
So no. Wait, we'll go pick up my food and it's not really that's the breakfast. So let's just warm up until the food is cooked. You understand? Like something for you to cook.
We are leaving. We're going away.
Alright, so it's simple. That's the simple because anyway I think you
No go on, man.
where you going with me?
Me alright. Me no want to name no Reming's. Me good.
You don't have to buy me, but we want overall.
Me eat fruits. Alright. No want that. You say you want a cup soup, right? Hello, miss. Talk to me now. Cup soup you want, right?
Yeah.
You want Reming's noodle, right?
Yeah.
What TT there?
TV.
Come TT. What you want, Chanel?
Mom, pick up. Hungry.
Yo, me love you. See, touch me, my God. Oh my God, my daughter-in-law. Oh, I love you. I love you. I don't even know what time people are left on. I don't want to cook. That's crazy.
Listen to me, then.
Me cannot eat salt mackerel, baby, but everybody can cook. Hold on this one.
$100, swear to God.
Move, bitch. Wait, they are panty, girl. You don't know what you're Alex. When you want shot, say Alex. Guys, find one shot, say Alex. Shots. Wait, Joey, you just buy one nice sneakers up, so nobody buy cheap sneakers. Say. You don't buy, if you buy cheap sneakers, they don't look good. Listen, thank you. Watch out. Me get warning for what? What me do? Guys, if nobody no pick up nothing for Alex, me I fling everything on have.
You want marina feel?
Yeah, mom, shots and marina for Alex. Boy, Pitney?
No, girl.
I'm big fat woman sitting that. You're going to if slim but fat and thick and luscious body section, you know. No more shots, Alex.
Yes, yeah, go on.
You want underpants too?
And you want shirt, you want buy my t-shirt.
You know, say don't act like when I put money in, you just take up like some rich. My want you panty? Oh.
T-shirt.
That's for Alex?
Yeah, one t-shirt. I'm the one put it before I put my marina.
Oh, they take up so this is for Alex, yeah.
No.
Alright, give me this. Nobody not see no shorts in now. What up? I'm not buying no tights, so I'm not push the tights. Give me. Take that out.
No, me.
I don't want no tights here, so. For what? You know, have some for wear, go up on this something already. We done them tights and I look. Wear a pants. Guys, shorts to Alex. Tights? Yeah. I look on shorts across the road. Alright guys, come on. Come on, put in the down up. You know, I want to fool your fudge. I want to
left cheese on you.
I don't know.
Now for long now, go pick up tights.
Alright, me asking a question again. Everybody come together in a group here, so no. Everybody. TT, you purchase them there? You buy them there? You want me buy them there for you?
Me have $600.
And if you put your rest on it. Titi, you want them here? Don't take up things where you don't want. Come and ask so much money.
Oh, I want top.
You want that?
Yeah.
Why you want that? You want it for where?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, I want top.
Come together. Everybody come together, guys.
Move everybody there so you
Go around this and move from side of me now.
Alright.
Look like you had my security. No, I'm not joking, right? I am not joking with it. I'm not joking with it. Gotcha. No, God, no. You send people ready, you know?
The purple catch me eye.
Focus. We'll leave out. When you understand, we'll go up on the road. When you understand, when you want something warm, pound the stomach.
Yeah.
No, listen to me. Everybody can come together, right? Choose something affordable. Because I cook me things, cooking, so go on and but you not listen.
Me choose the cooking. Me choose the ramen.
So,
really?
hold on, the salt mackerel up here. You want to cook the salt mackerel, Titi?
Yeah.
You sure? You don't want to cook? You don't want to cook?
You know I cook, but you want something to eat to cook.
Aki, what you say about the salt mackerel up here? Yeah. Say, rat it. Say, start on bun and cheese.
Tell me alone.
Alright, you want Reming's?
Yeah.
Chanel.
These are cook, but they come like
Nobody don't want to do that.
If you food cook it, I go waste that.
I'm going to show answer.
Yeah, but go take up your Reming's. Titi, I don't like pitney with unruly here. Where you go eat?
If everybody choose the thing, we eat it.
The what?
Salt mackerel.
You see nobody look at them and cook the salt mackerel?
So
You don't see everybody around?
So we eat the salt mackerel.
No, me I go where? Me can't eat salt mackerel, baby. Go and go choose something easy too. No, nobody stress you. Go on. No, hurry up. Hurry up. Wait, what? The spam there. That's not salty. Yeah, that's salty. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's enough for me, baby. It's alright, me eat fruits. Just get something simple to Chanel, like a noodle for you and touch. Alright, remember where I live.
What's next?
Now come meet me at cashier. Ready for cash, guys?
Yes. Stop videoing.
No crazy thing. This is my job and I tell me don't do it. Excuse. Me then cash and we go up afterwards. Me eat fruits. Me must something too salty.
One thing I would say is my friend. You don't forget this. The me and the member of our way.
Annie, are you done?
True.
Yeah, say I will.
Yeah, Annie is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Annie.
See there?
You know you must know me. We're from somewhere, somehow.
Somewhere, somehow.
True. So guys, everybody get to know, alright?
We need to cut the juice.
Aki walks up. Hello, what on the one I talk about juice? What kind of juice? The one, yeah, go on, get it. But Aki what then?
I want to put $20 water here. See your mouth.
For me, that. For me, that, me I say for me, that's something they take up. The sour sap. Alright, Aki will take up on already. Mika, take care of us, stuff them now. Go in a line.
No. Go this way and go.
Just make them cash first and wait. Alex no come, guys. Alex no come. You know Alex quiet. May I pick up something for him? Wanna pick up for Alex?
Yeah.
No, me pick up a clothes seam. Me talk about everybody pick up ramen noodle. Who pick up one ramen to Alex too?
Pick up two ramen, so I have two ramen.
Alright, no worry. TT saying got him. No worry, Chanel. TT got him. I can't believe I can't eat chips. Guys, my favorite chips up this, so I can't eat it. Chanel, show them my favorite chips, guys. These are my favorite. I know everybody tell me say I can't eat it. They must say I can't eat it. Guys, don't make can't eat a little bit of this.
No, salt.
Shut your mouth and come out.
If you want ice cream, it's ice cream.
Guys. Come here now. To walk up and down with the chips. Guys, look on this.
No, Zoe.
No. Chanel put it back. I not buy a phone eat it. I tell you the truth. I buy one where they and them eat it. I not do it.
I don't think we can.
I not drink no rum inside that, guys.
Princess, big up here.
No flavor here. True. Wait a
I'm a soup over this. I'm going to ask if you want it. What about them? You want it?
Oh, I can get one soup.
Okay, you get your soup or else.
What the kitchen did the kitchen? Me get the kitchen. Oh no. Everybody put on your stuff.
Let me put it in your hand. Put on the
Wait, no man, I'm watching what one.
come on, all about.
Sorry, but me really have to watch what's going on. Holy, you got good on the counter. Oh, Chanel, do you video for me?
6 of them, yeah?
Chanel? Alright, Zoe. you something, man.
Yeah.
No, the money me make up. $600. No, you meant to do that $600.
Or 16 you tell me.
Catch you back in somebody clothes section with $600 wash me. Everything.
They say forget one water.
Get a big box
Get
of
that water. Here.
You want it cold or room temperature?
Cool.
Take a room temp. Yeah, yeah. Can I go out?
It's a room temperature water. See there. See there. Chanel. Sorry. Chanel, come here. Today Sunday, I'm not so full. I'm Monday, no. Sunday, I'm on a Sunday, Monday. Unna buy ramen. Today Monday.
The picture like
To the office. Everybody good, right? Hey, one for the coach, you know, shave on near. Natalie from New York. One more. Share watching. One more share.
Mika, if you need it, come on.
Give me. So guys, whole crew, one of them. Guys, one big up Natalie from New York. You don't know, you always a tune in. Enough love, enough blessing. You don't know. Right, yourself. Mix, this is it? Mix? This is it, right? Alright, hold on. Hold on, my baby. Alright, Natalie from you. Wanna pay ready? Wanna pay? Oh, my like how now get in the bag, we don't pay. We have VIP. Please. Eh?
Watch camera.
May I come, baby? Oh, come in. I'm coming, my love. Alright, hold on, Richard. Alright, guys, see just so guys, we have big up Nick's Minimart, them say. Right about now, we're walking. Yeah, you know, say a place to be, a place to get a look at Nick snacks and snacks. Them girl and no money. Be a broke girl, watch them. Booty flat, pum fat. So right, so guys, see good cashier. Man, I lie. She look like money, loving money. Make sure you have your money. All right, right this so. You hold the camera for mommy, sweetheart. No. Hello. Oh, you cash your money? Alright, have a lovely morning here. Yeah. Come, ready again? Alright guys, come to go well. Here it comes.
Where you go with this stuff?
Give me this. You don't we call it good. Alright baby, enough love. Thank you, girlfriend. Alright guys, I'm not lying. Welcome in our own town. We love the welcome. You get what I say? We love the love, we love the blessing. Me run to the man and say, "Am I lesbian?" You can man, oh, look here. You man, they don't want an ugly man, they call you man them lesbian. Because the man are called the Titi and Titi now look at man. The man say Titi a lesbian. Oi, Titi, don't play with me. Do not play with me. Yeah, I want your foot stuck so one day. Hello, good morning. How is your morning? Thank you. Alright, we just want to check out something in the store here.
T-shirts in the one.
Which it's the one like AccuWalk ones, I think the blue one there, miss. Can I get some assistance, please? Okay. Your trust? Now good smart, you can trust me something. Come pay for it tomorrow. And then big old ugly bag you buy in the supermarket. It's a sexy panty, a blue panty, a panty sexy. Big ugly bag you me see them take up there. And now what take off them the panty they have for them. How much of that blue shorts right there, sir?
Yes.
No. Next one, miss. Blue with the white. Blue and white. Yeah. How much of the one where you touch first? Alright, pick up that. Give me this one. I want to get one socks, Alex. We need a sock. Somebody, you sell it tall socks, miss?
Yeah.
How much one?
Is it the school socks or
No, I want to come up in like tall socks.
like these?
Yeah. But we have to, no. But white.
We have white or black and white.
No, not that one, miss. And a 3 bit. Chanel, make somebody run go back over so go buy one socks, Alex. No, I'm not gonna like them there. Alright, give me the next shot safe film, please. That one. Yes, miss. No, not that. The blue one when you touch first, miss. Alright, thank you. Alright. Somebody run across the road. Titi, if me give a job for them, do it. Hold the camera and hold the camera good. No repeat. Why wouldn't I send Shell? Make AccuWalk go with her. What AccuWalk got? AccuWalk with AccuWalk. Miss Honey. Is it easy? Chanel. The Mr. Trust dead. They done gone. Don't show up Alex things. Back away.
Guys, look, which part? See there? Good view. I watch you with it. Watch it.
No, stop. Can I have a bag of material? Alright, if you have one,
What did that pink suit? Hello. What's that pink suit?
It smells food. And next time, they give you a bag, they can focus and get the bag, please.
Let's look at some, you know, to the side.
You put anything for you?
No, you
You say no. But I told them about people have food and they can't show me food. Because you come now. Oh, no.
Oh, Bob's one restaurant over there, so. See there? Come.
I must see over there with the nurse. Guys, hold on. Wanna come? Everybody.
See there?
Oh, yeah, I must see this.
They have soup. So I'm gonna buy soup.
I tell you something, I want to buy out a supermarket, I want to eat, you know. That man telling you. Oh, nobody come here so come bother me.
Smells good.
Hi, good morning.
Over here with this one, this soup then.
Want to sit down?
Over here.
Sit down. Stew pork? How much for the pork?
I have 800 on it.
Alright, give me a look of pork. I'm going to go and warm up my stomach, please.
800?
Yes, please, thank you. Alright, man. I'm going to get baked about this. See, because we get the kitchen, I want the kitchen, you know, so I can carry up. You get me so it can be easier for me. Alright? Take serious. Okay, so after I want to eat that remnants there, Hungry ghost. Promise you not any money. I want one hour to look for me and tell me say we're not hungry. Watch and see. Good night, Bob. Good night. May I get something?
You don't want this food? You don't want this food?
No, man, just eat the little one food and so we can get ready. When I go back on the road again, it's not go bother me and tell me about you know hungry. I no come like some raw hyena. 2 weeks well.
So you see I have 200 food.
You not buy remnants. Me not buy no soup. Go and eat your cheese. The cheese looking lovely.
You have soup?
Yes, you have soup. 2 meals one.
2 big soup?
Me come here best soup for
I wanna broke bad. Yeah, bro, broke bad for true life, man. Hold on, broke bad. I can work. We get gas, you know? Gas and kitchen, you know? Master.
I want to catch up with you. Mom, seafood there. I like food.
It's not one day she trust. What is it?
That's the way you want, trust. You know what? How much
Alright, give me a small 2 bill soup with the change.
Who you better me? No. Who you better me? After you have something to read.
All of them.
She depend on her.
All of them are go and wait for it. I know, seriously, I don't want to go and go make the remedies unless we wait for the phone call to get ready. Put the camera on she and put it on the cheese. That's what we do. Oh yeah. What's on the flip? Give it about that soup. No, put up. Is everybody ready, guys? So we get the soup. Chanel, what is it by?
You cannot eat it full of salt and spice.
Chanel, let me see now.
I thought you
And you want me to tell you say you can't eat it.
Yes, this is me a best camera woman. Me are the best camera woman I ever. Chanel, can I see that?
No.
I just want to look, me not eat it. Chanel, I promise you me not eat it.
It's salt, so no. I saw fish never come from. You may tell her say it.
So me just want to look for him, me never tell him I eat it. So me finish full.
No.
Me not grab it, Chanel, I promise you. Just let me look in my hand, just rest in my hand. Wumba, people fool your fudge. You can like your band when jackfruit arrive.
Me say.
Give me this one. Look at it. Look how easy.
You can't eat it.
Look how easy I go near me for.
You can't eat it.
Chanel, come on, for Let it go. Let it in. Me not eat it with you. I joke. I joke with me. And I get everything you want?
Yeah, but we can't go like that.
Sip out the soup. Akiwak. We get to know? You sure? I know my soup, that's the Akiwak soup. Where rooted? You're boga yo. You're boga yo. Mika, we now go there so with a big old cup of soup there with you. Oh, you know, say when we call it echo with me. You boga you, you walk and drink soup everywhere too much. You freak are you. Jesus Christ. Come out, Jam.
Come on, man.
Blurt not. God have merciful man. No, sir. This is about Akiwak. Akiwak.
You say Akiwak cute, you know?
Akiwak, girl over here say you're cute.
They say you need
Jesus Christ. Akiwak. Akiwak, you girls over here chat you. Akiwak, them a chat you. They say you're cute.
Show me tea. You can ask them it off.
So when you nobody not say this, are you making it? So out of you?
Come ready.
Subby chat. They say subby chat. Them people are kind of mad to be a foolish.
Subby. Them people are too much.
Then too disgusting.
Come.
No, I'm not chatting. We don't move.
You take up your phone.
I know said God no. We're gonna lock it down. We're gonna lock it down for a while until we are going. Not for them, not for they over here. So. Me rooted. You know, say a fool in the shadow.
Well.
If you was just there 29. That means that people that were on the platform, them not support we, them not tap a scream, them just come over here and that is it. No, when we done, alright chat. I want to talk about Uno miss we. Miss which parts? None of Uno no miss we. Only thing we don't want to do is just come on people platform and stress out fucking people. People can't have 29 likes. You understand me? I said nobody not tap a scream, nobody not share it, no nothing at all. So what we do this for them? For nothing at all? I don't know why in the people comment section I disrespect them. 20 freaking 9. I want to know if you're supposed to support people. We understand because people depend people big old platform and we not support them. So what about our platform? So we don't go good for take disrespect from people. That's the only thing about us. We take disrespect. Jesus Christ, I can't believe it's from money. I look on the views, you know. 29. The likes here 29 likes, nobody never care about we. What about my husband? Can't beg you something? You can't marry to me? Why? Really? Me not look good enough? Me not lookable? Say why you don't want me? You don't want me? You have your wife? Say you don't want a side chick? For it, your money? Everything I know? You can't come out to your mother home and say no. I first start you say no. You're sexy though, me not lie. Yeah? Yeah?
Mommy.
So we can get married? What mean by no? Everything come out to your mouth and no? Beg $100. Yeah. Oh, God. No, man, no, sir. Not if we can get a man idea. Everything him say I know. Everything I know, I'm not lie. Hey, big body, what's up?
The soup.
You know you love me, you know. Look more. When we come check you? You say look more you tell me, man. You style me thing. Youth. I'm so in love. Friend. Nobody love me like you do. Hey baby. Let me know man, me look a man, you know, no leave me alone. Baby, you say come check you later. Alright, love you. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Why, my love? Murder Samantha. Me get man. Me get good man. Hey, back to you now, I can start cuss off now. Guys, please me I beg on. If you don't really like his stream, support the stream, alright? We don't have to argue. Please, I'm asking you. I'm doing it decent. Right? I true, I don't want. Alright, we couldn't do a video them on YouTube where people are saying, for come on for this.
Eldina say reach.
Eldina reach?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll call him when we go up. Right? And I'll tell you guys, so I don't like when time with the on the stream. So guys, support the platform. Thank you, baby. Alright, hold on, my girls. So when it reach 3K likes, we open the chat. Yeah, right, baby, right? So when it reach 3K, read what the moderator said. When it reach 3K, guys, we open back the chat. Otherwise, we not open it. All of this when me I do it, me never didn't realize too. I never didn't realize. Right? On can't have a platform on so I love the platform. I will now support the platform. You know the thing is this, Mika they love go buy things that they don't want. I that I'm afraid of them with. They will buy things that they don't want. Thank you.
Yeah, child, here. Let's take it on.
Yeah man, I don't want miserable picnic on my video now. And I have a decent to see camera come. Yeah, we have to behave, we have to behave. When I see camera come, I behave on yourself. Guys, I tell you the truth, you know. The best thing wanna do, wanna tap up the screen and support it because we have somewhere go today. And if we realize someone not support we just go and we're gonna put the video on YouTube. Once we realize that we not get no support from the platform, we are come off and go over YouTube because this is not helping us. Right? It's a team away. And if that is not helping, we'll come off. All you have to do, tap up the screen, get us to 300k likes first, and next we'll continue. Right? If it's not working, chat, fine. Because we can't force nobody.
YouTube, we miss you.
Yeah, go back over them, man. I the people them keep on and say, I need best thing. Ooh, Akiwa, man. Akiwa, I couldn't look bad.